Good afternoon, guys. I got a bit of a sore throat at the moment, so yeah, it might be a bit crackly and a bit odd every now and then. But bit of an exciting afternoon today. I'm popping over to see my mate Ryan to do some work on his van. So just spicing it up a little bit because he's putting some coilovers on it at the moment. It's going to make me a little bit jealous because I want to put the coilovers on mine, but we'll get there eventually. Just yeah, going to make my way there now and give him a hand putting them on and see what his van looks like and feels like afterwards. So quite exciting because I've never really done any suspension. I'm probably not going to do mine, but we'll see what it's like doing his. But I was going to take it into the mechanic and get him to do mine. But yeah, we'll see what it's like, see how long it takes, and I might end up doing my own. I want to do my own, but at the same time I don't want to mess it up. So yeah, going to make my way over to his now. He's been a good mate. I've known him for a very long time, and yeah, I can't wait to work on his van and do some mechanic stuff. But yeah, I thought I'd just spice up the videos. I wasn't gonna video it, but he wants me to, so hopefully you guys enjoy it as well. And yeah, we'll go there now. Bit tight under there, mate.
A little bit. Nice and roomy.
Plenty of room.
That'll be some weird face on that. It does sound off quite nicely.
Is that what I told you to do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Grind away the lip.
Like a glove.
Like a glove. What, so that wouldn't slide on with that little lip?
No.
That bastard.
It's tripping in my glove, wasn't it?
At least we've got plenty of room under there anyway.
Yeah.
Pretty much stood up.
Right. Your turn.
Brand new, that is.
New van, like a new
Euro
van.
car parts.
Be nice if you could get a new one of these, wouldn't it?
It's like half the size.
You have to go in the other way.
Right, there you go. Right, that's it.
Like a glove. I don't know if this can actually see it.
Can you see?
Nice.
You fit?
Yeah, I just lost the. I lost it. Am I on loosening or am I untying it?
I'll tell you.
Wrong way.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah, I can't tell when I'm upside down. Oh, the water keeps going straight down. Jesus! No.
I reckon blue should have given that nice blue one.
Yeah, it would look cool.
There she is.
Oh, there's the beast.
Where's it? There's the top.
Where's the top?
That's the top, yeah?
Yeah.
There you go.
Easy as that. Go again then. Off you go, pal.
Oh.
You should know what you're doing. You've just done it. Is this the socket you wanted? 18 mil.
But what I
I don't know. She's got. There we go. A bit more. There we go.
Look at that.
Now that he's going to go down miles.
It's gonna be slam van, isn't it, right?
Yeah, slam van.
60 foot-pound for the top and 90 £90 for the bottom.
Yo, depth to that.
Bloody hell.
Oh,
One done.
Hon.
Ta-da!
Hon done.
See, that's the reason you want the book.
The old Haynes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, because I don't have a book.
Haynes does help.
Pretty much it's just everything is pretty tight.
Yeah, you don't really need it, but you just
No, it's just
do it.
make everything bloody tight.
Warm, isn't it?
The jack is under the. Oh, that's perfect. Number 10. Look at that. That is.
Like a glove.
Oh, mine petrol.
That is nice, I like that.
Yeah.
Literally.
Crouch down.
We're officially at the halfway point. Done 2. 2 to go. It's rather on the cold and wet side today, but we're getting there. How slanted is it?
Oh, jeez.
I don't know if you can tell which side we've done. That's actually a massive difference. Yeah, that's crazy. This is the completed side. Oh, it's actually sitting a bit lower now, I think.
Is it moved?
I think so. That's nice though. And the front. May change when we level out. Nah, that's cool. Just makes me want to do mine. Not in this weather, but really wants to make me do mine. We got our weather system. This is our customised working station. That's the best one so far, I think.
I think so, we're getting better.
Third time.
Lucky.
I think I'm going to do a time lapse of this one as well. I think just going to stick the camera there and just do like a quick rolling video. The new and old rear springs. Quite a size difference really. That's why you can see where it drops quite a lot.
What way is the way to it? Down.
Actually.
Slowly.
Last attention now. Our whole tent's coming down.
Don't look as low as the one.
Yeah, reckon?
We've got a jack the other side.
So in the end we didn't get all 4 done, we got 3 out of 4. We got the 2 backs and the front left. And we're going to call it a day because it's minging still, but not going too bad. This is 3 of the parts. In the corner ditched. I'm going to show you the front spring in a second. Oh, of course, bloody freezing. What is the temperature? 1 degree. Cool. So obviously in the pouring rain, I'm not gonna say I got, well, I'm not going to say we got done because it wasn't me. I was just sort of stood there having a little watch. Ryan said that I want to come over and film it, and I was like, yeah, that's fine, I'll give you a hand if you need it. But I don't think they really needed a hand, but I sort of just took a spectator's approach, which was quite cool for me really, because obviously I've never sort of, once again, done much mechanic stuff, but it was quite cool to see sort of how it's done. Obviously I watched videos on it, seen other YouTubers do coilovers and different suspension kits and things like that, but yeah, it was quite cool to watch those guys. Like I said, we only got 3 out of 4 done, so they're going to do the 4th tomorrow while I'm back at work again. But yeah, it did take a few sort of hours, and it's getting sort of dark now, so I'm going to go back now and hopefully come tomorrow after work again to sort of give it a little bit of a film and see what it's like when it's complete. I didn't talk too much, just mainly it was just filming what those guys were doing, sort of showing you the suspension and that. I did ask Ryan what it was, and it was Bluebird custom coilovers. They're the ones he bought in the end. There was a few options that he had, but yeah, he did go with the Bluebird custom in the end. So they are the coilovers. I think that you could lower them quite a lot, and there was quite a lot of adjustment to them, and they were quite well rated apparently. I think they were sort of £600 to £700. So he spent a little bit more on his than I did on mine, which makes me feel a little bit bad. But I'm going to get going home now because I'm absolutely freezing, and life can continue. So I'm going to warm up, go to work, come back, have a look. He's inspired me in a way to do mine, and I do want to give it a go, but I may have to borrow some of his tools to do so.
He-Man. Old and new. Everything connected. Ready for the wheel. Bloody freezing. Voila.
Alright, so doing what I normally do, just going to talk to you guys now after editing the video, just because I wanted to see what I did actually film, because I don't actually feel like I film sort of too much. I filmed the van sort of before and after, so you guys get to see sort of what it looked like before and after the coilovers. Can't remember if I said about the coilovers, but they're Bluebird custom coilovers for obviously his T5 van, 174 brake horsepower. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was mainly sort of a learning curve for me. I wanted to see what it was like to put coilovers on a vehicle itself. I feel like it would be a little bit easier getting it on my car, because it's quite hard to get to Ryan's sort of top mounts on the van, a little bit fiddly in some respects. It wasn't too bad, but I feel like with a car it's a little bit easier to sort of access the sort of top and the bottom of the coilovers themselves. Obviously I'm going to borrow, hopefully, some of Ryan's stuff. It's probably the first going to hear about this, but Ryan, if you're watching, please borrow your stuff. Sort of like the spring clamps, things like that. They're a little bit scary, but they seem to be alright. But yeah, overall it was just really just kind of like a little learning curve for me. I wanted to watch sort of what happened, what it was done, and see sort of what it'd be like to do maybe my own. So watching his go on, I do want to give mine a go, because I feel like it's a little bit more of an experience. It shows that I'm sort of doing my own car, not getting someone else to do it. So I want to give it a go, and then I can film it for you guys, and you can see all my mistakes and things like you normally do. But yeah, that's sort of what we want to go with really. But I also want your opinion. Do you think I should try and do it myself, or do you think I should just send it off to the mechanic and get him to do it? Unfortunately, I completely forgot to film any of the front springs, so I had to drive over back to Ryan's to give him the camera again. I just said to him, just do some little clips if you can. He got a few for me. Obviously, unfortunately, we didn't get any filming of any of the top mounts coming out or anything like that, but there you go. It wasn't really about that, to be honest. I just wanted to film his van and get it on the channel and get you guys looking at it. I think it's quite a cool van, to be honest, in sort of respects for it, but yeah. We're getting the arches rolled soon as well, which is quite cool, but obviously I'll be filming that, showing you guys sort of the process of that. Hopefully it won't crack any paint or anything like that, because I'm going to do it with a good friend of mine. He has done cars before, but we'll see how it goes, eh? What's the worst that could happen? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed Ryan's van, please do give it a like, and leave us any comments, guys, with any questions or queries. I will be filming it on the rolling road, hopefully at some point as well. I want to get some sort of rolling shots of his van and my car at the same time, because I think it'd be quite cool once I've got my car sorted and the coilovers on. But yeah, thank you very much again, guys, for watching. Do remember, subscribe if you are new. Thank you very much. See you next time.